Hey everybody, this is Doug, and I want to introduce you to the tool that you never knew you needed until now, the spirited level. Forget about straight lines. Forget about plumb lines. This is the spirited level. It's more about your balance than the walls. Built from rugged aluminum, painted construction site yellow, capped in black for that professional look. The spirited level is designed to stand out on your workbench, in your man cave, or wrapped up as the perfect gag gift. Instead of that boring old bubble vial, we've upgraded to a full-size mini bottle of your favorite spirit. Whiskey, vodka, tequila. Hey, who are we to judge? Will it help you build a house? Absolutely not. But will you feel good doing it? You bet your bourbon you will. The spirited level is the must-have novelty for builders, makers, or anyone who thinks their toolbox could use a little bit more spirit. Man cave approved, workshop ready, party starter guaranteed. Okay, so there you go. SpiritedLevel.com. Go order yours today. Now, if for some reason they're sold out, then you'll put your name on the waiting list if you'd like, and I'll email you once I have more in stock. Now, when you receive this, you will not get the little bottle, all right? You're going to have to take the insert out that is here in the aluminum, put your bottle inside, and then drop it back into place. Now, the type of bottle is just a standard little mini bottle that you might see on an airplane. Don't get the strange ones like Bailey's or Chivas Regal or something like that. These are just standard size bottles that you can put in here. So again, SpiritedLevel.com. Order yours today, and I'll see you in the next video.